Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates. Today we can see that Capgemini is hiring for performance testing engineer. So let us get into the job description. So at first you need to visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com, or else you can also find the link below, just below this video description. You will find that link. I request you to please click on that link and you will be redirected to our website and you can apply. So let us see now. So let us see which company is hiring. So Capgemini is hiring for the new notification. So to get daily job updates, I request you to please join in any of these groups. Designation is performance testing engineer. Experience needed is 4 to 8 years. Salary is negotiable. Location is Bangalore. And now let us go through about the organization. Capgemini is a global leader in consulting, digital transformation, technology and engineering services. The group is at the forefront of innovation to address the entire breadth of clients opportunities in the evolving world of cloud, digital and platforms. So Capgemini is a very good company. As all of us know, it is one of the good MNC. So I request you to please apply if you are eligible. And now we can see the job responsibilities. So they are expecting that a candidate with good expertise in performance testing tools like JMeter, expertise in programming scripting in C++, Java, etc. Knowledge of Agile and DevOps methodologies. Nice to have knowledge experience on container based applications, and also design and execute load tests as per plan and provide detailed feedback after analysis and look into infrastructure and application metrics to identify potential bottlenecks. Strong background in developing performance testing frameworks, utilities, assets and accelerators on various platforms. So knowledge of performance monitoring tools like AppDynamics, Grafana, etc. And knowledge of performance troubleshooting like heap dump and thread dump analysis is preferred. Ability to work with teams to monitor and suggest solutions, test environment related, monitoring related and load balancing related experience is needed for this particular job. So if you are trained on any of the testing platforms, you can apply. So if you have a good knowledge and also experience 4 to 8 years, you can apply for this job. So now let us go through the primary skills. Expertise in performance testing like JMeter, expertise in programming scripting in C++, Java, etc. And performance monitoring tool like AppDynamic, Dynatrace, Grafana, etc. Secondary skill would be like knowledge of performance testing troubleshooting, heap dump and thread dump analysis is preferred. Ability to work with teams to monitor and suggest solutions, test environment related, monitoring related and load balancing related. And here we can see that a candidate with a good excellent communication skills and the ability to work with multiple teams and client stakeholders in a dynamic environment is necessary. So I think this job, in this job they are expecting like a candidate with a good communication skills and also a good testing knowledge, and 4 to 8 years of experience guys are eligible for this job. So I request you to please apply if you are eligible, and I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get daily job updates and also join in any of these groups. And if you have any queries, just comment below and we will be providing the fastest resolution for you, and we will help you, and also we can make new videos for you. So I request you to apply for this job. In order to apply, just click on this official link. Here you can see the official link. So I request you to please go through the complete job description, whatever we have just discussed. And this job is posted on November 11, 2021. Experience needed is like 4 to 8 years as we discussed earlier. So I request you to just click on this apply now option and it will be redirected to the website. So just go through it, and it will be asking you email ID and the password, and I request you to please enter the email ID and password, and just click on I'm not robo. So just create an account and fill all the complete details, and you will be able to apply for this, and you will be shortlisted if you are eligible for this job. I request you to please subscribe and like, comment and share our YouTube channel, and to get daily job notifications. And we are here to help you to get to achieve your dreams. So I request you to please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great